On October 24, 2023, Coral Springs, Florida. Police were called to a Dollar General after reports of a woman screaming, throwing items, and even spitting on an elderly couple.
I shall not go to jail. Now, don't touch me, you dirt.
Officers responded to the scene and held the suspect in police custody. This is what happened next.
Hi. I don't know what this all is. The words need to come out. What's the problem?
Give a about none of that.
Whoa. Hey, I'm talking to you. You're not free to go right now.
Let me purchase my item, please. Got time for that shit.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to have
my face with that shit.
Okay.
The fuck out my face with that shit. Ain't nobody got time for that dumb shit with these retarded ass motherfucking people. Let me get a black and mild too, man. Why is you what is wrong with you, man? Hold up, let me record this because I ain't do shit in this motherfucking place.
Okay.
I ain't do shit. Now let's go. What's wrong with you, man?
Are you pregnant?
Yep.
Okay.
And you just touched me. That is assault. I ain't do shit in this place. What happened?
You need to calm down.
Okay, I'm calm. You ain't even coming here asking me what happened. You just touched me and then I ain't do shit up in here. What happened?
Listen, I don't want to taste you or slam you.
Okay.
So stop. Stop walking.
Happened?
Stop walking.
Okay, so what happened? What is going on? Okay, what happened? You're not telling me what I did. You're not telling me what the fuck I did. You're not telling me what I did.
Your hand. I don't want to hurt you.
You're not telling me what did I do. You're not talking to me, telling me what I did, man.
I don't have to right now.
Yes, you do, because I didn't do anything. You don't have no, I didn't commit no criminal acts. So what did I do? You're not finna sit here and arrest me and tell me that I'm doing anything wrong. What did I do? Thank you for recording. Thank you for recording.
I don't want to take you to the ground.
So you can't do that.
So put your hands behind your back, okay?
You can't tell me and tell me what to do. I don't give a fuck.
Thank you.
They can't do shit. I ain't do shit. So what are you arresting me for? And you can't put my hands behind my back because I'm pregnant.
Okay, I'll put them
Thank you. You cannot do that because I'm pregnant. So know your protocol before your ass get fired. And now I want to know, what did I do? Okay, what did I do?
Give me your phone.
Why is you taking my phone?
Because
I want to know, why am I being detained? I have the right to know, why am I being detained? Why am I being detained? I have the right to know, as by law, why am I being detained? I have not committed no criminal act, no crime. I have not committed no criminal act, no crime. I was just on the video with my daughter. I was just on the visitation video. You have a child. If you have a child that's in the problem, and your child going through some stuff, you'll feel the same way. I have the right to feel this way about my child. Can't nobody tell me I don't got the right to feel this way about my child. I don't care.
Are you done?
You're not finna tell what criminal act did I do?
Are you done?
What criminal act did I do?
I'm not gonna yell over you.
What criminal act?
I'm not going to yell over you.
Go ahead, talk. You ain't asked me nothing.
Okay. I'm not gonna yell over you.
Okay, what did I do?
It's not
what did I do?
It's not gonna happen.
What criminal act did I just do? What did I do?
Let's go.
What did I do? Don't touch me.
Yes.
Excuse me. Thank you. It don't matter, because I want to know what the fuck I did. You can't tell me what I did. You can't take me to jail. So I don't care. I don't care. You can't take me to jail. I do not care. I ain't do shit.
Behind her?
Look, I don't care.
Pregnant.
Damn sure am.
So I'm being
You can't tell me what the fuck to do. What criminal act did I have? What criminal offense did I just commit?
I already told you, I'm not going to yell over you.
You didn't tell me what criminal offense did I did.
I'm not going to yell over you.
Okay, why am I in handcuffs if I did not do anything or committed no crime?
Have a seat.
Ma'am, why am I getting in a car if I haven't committed no crime?
Have a seat.
Why am I getting in a police car if I haven't committed no crime?
When you sit down, I'll explain it to you.
Why am I going to jail and I have not committed no crime?
Ma'am.
Why am I going to jail and I have not committed no crime?
Have a seat.
Why am I going to jail and I have cracker? I don't give a fuck about you, cracker. You got me fucked up. Fuck you, white folks. I don't give a fuck. Fuck you, cracker. Fuck you. I don't need no seatbelt, ho.
Well, for now,
fuck you, cracker. Fuck you.
I'll handcuff you to the back.
I don't give a fuck, ho. I don't need no seatbelt. I'm good. You can let me ride. Bitch, you slow? You retarded? You dumber than a bitch? Fuck you. I don't give a fuck, cracker. You can't control me, bitch. Take your white ass on, you white dumb
Okay.
And I'm gonna talk about this at the TV show that I'm going on, dog.
Okay.
Stupid. Let me go. I'm in the car, so let me the go, ho.
Okay.
The on.
What's your first name?
I haven't not committed no crime, so I don't got to give you my name.
Okay. You're under arrest for obstruction.
Okay, bye.
That's good. She's screaming, yelling. She already had her cuff. She's pregnant. She had her cuff in the front. Right now, we're not. Supposed to put it in the back. She's not kicking the screen right now, but she's resisting going inside the vehicle. And we asked for information. She's definitely not giving you anything. We're like, all right.
Did that happen because of this?
No. This is sorry.
So, what do we? You got the bat.
I'm gonna go inside. We just put her in the car. I'm gonna go talk to her inside right there.
What do we have so far?
Yeah, what was the crime?
So I grabbed her arm because I see she's pregnant.
Some guy, customer leaving, just claiming that she spit onto.
Stop moving around.
We go talk to her.
All right, go ahead.
And I go, are you pregnant? Yes. I don't want to slam you on the ground because you're pregnant. Put your hands behind your back.
She refused to leave after
No.
we were gonna, you know.
Well, I was going to trespass her. She wasn't free to leave. So she made me chase her around the whole store while she was doing this big production. Do you have the fingerprint reader thing? Because she's not providing her info now. She's handcuffed to the front as a courtesy because of her alleged pregnancy. Oh, she's kicking. Come on, let me get my gloves.
I don't give a pussy. Don't take me to the jail.
You don't stop, you're going to catch more charges.
Man, fuck you, cracker.
Okay.
Take me to the jail, pussy. And fuck the rest of these crackers.
That's
Y'all
where you're
on
going.
live, pussy. You on live.
Thank you.
We were walking by on this aisle by her.
Did you witness anything at all?
Just nothing, really.
Nothing? Okay, all right.
Here, let's get out of the way.
Yeah, we can go over here.
Yeah, that's all.
We were just walking by, and she looked at us, and we didn't say anything to her. And
Yeah.
she was, screaming. And then she just...
Where was she at in the
spit.
store?
Where she was throwing... One of the aisles where she was throwing all the stuff around. And she just looked at us, and she spit, but didn't hit us.
Okay.
And I go, hey. What are you doing? And then she started screaming, and then we just walked away.
Okay, so she purposely, it wasn't like she was talking and spit came
Oh,
out.
no. She purposely
Purposely
looked at
spit.
us.
Who did it make contact
Right
with?
at us. Yeah, with her.
Is this your mom or?
Yeah.
Okay.
She said crack or something.
Yeah. Well, she said that to us. I'm going to get your information here in a moment as well. Do you guys have IDs on you, or it'll make it a lot easier for me?
Sure.
Like I said, technically that's considered battery, spitting on someone. So you would be a victim of battery if that's something you have, the right to. If you want to, press charges. If you don't, that's fine. Okay. I don't want to keep you guys here too long.
It's okay.
Yeah, I don't know if she's got maybe some issues or what the deal
Oh,
is.
she got it. And I was surprised. I really thought she was on the phone with somebody.
Well, she was talking on it.
She was?
She does have.
Oh.
She did have her phone in her possession when I arrived here.
It
So
looked like a phone hanging on the wall
I didn't think she had anything. That's why I looked over and she was just standing there screaming.
And you asked her to leave and she didn't leave. Okay.
She caused any more damage to your store?
Did she do any damage to the inside of the store?
Part of it run on the floor, so we're just going to pick it up and
Put it back on.
restack it. And, she knocked
So
the
she did
ladder.
cause a disruption to the business.
Yes, she scared quite a few of my guests. They were checking out the free rice.
Disorderly and trespassing disorderly.
Yep.
Yeah,
Could do that.
her behavior was.
And these two...
Her behavior, would you say that her behavior was alarming?
Yes.
To yourself and to
Yeah, I felt threatened.
to your patrons?
Okay.
Hey guys, she's talking on the phone.
Yeah, and y'all on live. And everybody can see y'all.
That's great, but we're gonna need your phone.
Everybody can see y'all, man. Everybody can see y'all, man. Yeah, everybody can see y'all, man. I could get out the car and my motherfucking self. Don't pull me. I don't give a fuck. Back the fuck up. Okay, you will.
Yeah, take it off. Just hold, do it the same way.
Camera hoe. They already done seen you, dumb. I don't give a fuck. I go in my own pants to get my own shit. You ain't got to touch my coochie, bitch. I don't give a fuck. Oh, that's why your face look like you a man. You strong face, bitch. Fuck out of here. You strong face, that dirty hoe. Stupid bitch.
All right?
Me?
Yeah. Just making sure you're okay.
My feelings are hurt.
No, I'm not worried about that. I'm more worried
But
about.
physically?
Yeah, you fine?
No.
Okay.
It would have been easier if she wasn't pregnant, but you have to be gingerly. That would come harder.
Understood.
Fuck everybody else, bitch. I'll be fucked.
All right. Obviously, I wasn't here for the whole thing.
How you doing?
Good on.
I want to know what crime did I committed.
Okay, I'll let you know.
Okay, let me know now. I have the right to know that.
Sure.
Okay.
So you have trespass.
I ain't got no trespass, and I come here all the time.
You're asking me, and I'm telling you. That's
Excuse me.
That's what I'm doing.
Thank
I'm
you.
asking you, and I'm telling you.
Ma'am, don't f***ing touch me, you dirty, strong-faced ass. Yeah, you mad because a black bitch like me look better than your dirty white ass.
Okay, relax. If you want me to help you...
No, because she came in there. I just already going through a situation with my child. And I just was in there buying the item. I ain't going they store doing no crazy dumb ass shit. No retarded ass shit. Rewind that shit back. Y'all right here, y'all police officers, y'all get access to all that shit.
Okay.
I ain't got time to be explaining my mother self to nobody, bitch. When I know I ain't committing no mother crime, you got me f***ed up. I know these police officers be following my ass. I know these motherfuckers be watching my ass. I know these motherfuckers be listening to my ass. And y'all know that shit too, because y'all standing right here and motherfuckers acting like y'all don't when y'all motherfuckers do. Stop fucking playing with me like I'm retarded all dumb. Stop fucking playing with me.
So,
don't fucking play with me, bro.
I'm not going to play you. That's not what I'm about.
What am I going to jail for? Just tell me that.
I will tell you, okay, there's a few things we can do, and I'm trying to not make that happen.
Okay.
But in order for that not to happen, I need your name and your date of birth.
I'm not giving my name and my date of birth because I have not committed no crime. By my constitutional rights say, if I have not committed no crime, I shall not go to jail.
How old are you? Just tell me how old you are.
I'm 30 years old.
Okay, you're 30. You want to know how old I am?
Sir, I don't want to know
I
how
look?
old you is.
What's your first name?
My first name is Jasmine.
Jasmine, I'm Brian. Very nice to meet you. I wish we would have met under different circumstances. I'm serious,
I don't want to hear
okay?
this, man. I don't want to hear this stuff.
Okay. So,
y'all finna take me to jail, bro.
I have children
on that shit, bro.
who are your age. Okay? And
Okay.
I promise to treat you
with
with the utmost respect. But it's a two-way street. Okay? Now, there's a few things as a supervisor I am capable of doing. Mm-hmm. But in order for that to happen, I need to verify who you are. Mm-hmm. Okay? So what I tell people is this. If you give me a name and a date of birth that I can verify, I can give you those options.
Okay, give me them options now.
No, I can
I'll give you my name and date of birth if you get me up out this car. You said it's a two-way street.
It is.
Okay, so you should get me up out this car.
right now. We need you to give right now.
So you should be able to get me up out this car.
I know your first name.
You're a supervisor.
I am a supervisor.
Okay.
All right. So that being said, I know you told me your first name was Jasmine, right?
Sir, I'm not gonna play with you. I'm gonna give you my name. I'm gonna give you my name and date of birth. You said it's a two-way street. We're working together. You should be. I want to get out this car first.
I'm the one.
You should let me stand with my handcuffs right here and get out this car first because I'm cosmophobic. I'm already pregnant, and I don't need to be in no car stuck and stuffed up like this.
Put your feet right here. There, I met you halfway. Take deep breaths, relax. I'll even get you a bottle of water. I have no problem with that. No.
Man, I don't got time for this retarded stuff. Okay. I don't got time for this retarded stuff y'all got going on. Y'all know what y'all got going on, and I'm gonna speak about this when I go to this TV show too. They mad because I'm about to be a celebrity. They mad because I'm getting offers for a TV show. They mad because all of that shit too. So stop it.
Okay, so that being said, I want you to do this TV show. I want you to do all this stuff.
Yeah, I go November the 2nd.
Good.
I go November the 2nd to the TV show as a special guest.
Right. Which show is it?
Sherry.
I don't know that.
Yes, it's a TV show called Sherry. Sherri. I can show you on my phone.
I'm sure I don't discount you. I don't.
The same thing that police did when I had an audition to go to the TV show, The Apollo. They did the same thing. Trying to do stupid stuff. Right. When I'm trying to do all I'm trying to do is better myself in my life.
And I want you to. But like I said, you're taking away your options by not giving me the little things that I'm asking for. All I'm asking for is a name and a date of birth. That's yours. That's it.
What am I going to jail for, sir?
You're not going to jail at all right now. Not yet. But if you fail to give me a name and a date of birth, there's this little thing called obstruction. And I'd rather not charge you with that.
Bruh, I have not committed no crime.
Jasmine.
I have not committed
By
no
you not
crime,
even
bro.
giving me your name
Why
and date
should
of
I
birth,
give you my name
that
and my
is-
date of
That
birth?
is a crime.
How? If
Because
I
I'm
commit no
here
crime.
as a police officer in my official capacities, investigating something that may or may not have happened.
This is so crazy stuff.
And I'm trying to go I'm trying to go in your direction to help you, but you're not looking to help me.
This
So
is
that
so
being said,
crazy stuff.
I'm going to ask you one more time. Will you please
This is so crazy.
give me your name and date of
stuff,
birth?
bro. I gotta talk about this when I go on this lady
Okay.
TV show, bro.
I'll even give you my name.
This is
You
crazy.
can talk about me. Okay?
This
Fair enough?
is crazy, bro.
All right, Jasmine, what's your last name, sweetheart?
My last name, Julie.
Can you spell it for me? So,
This is crazy, bro.
that's it? Just D?
Yup.
Okay, what's your date of birth, sweetheart?
0.
Jasmine, Jasmine. Do you have a middle name? And what's that?
My last name is Julie. My birthday 0. I just want to know
95.
what did I do?
Right,
Why am
will
I in
tell you, I will
handcuffs,
tell you.
man?
Jasmine, do you have a middle name?
My middle name? No, I don't have a middle name.
You don't have one. Did you ever have a Florida driver's license or ID?
My ID at the house. I stay right across
It was
the
a
street.
Florida ID? Okay. All right, we're gonna verify that. All right, so let me now that you met me halfway, I will meet you. Fair enough. I'm not looking to put you. And I gotta ask one more question. How many months pregnant are you?
I'm 6 months pregnant.
First of all,
And this lady didn't even
congratulations.
come in the store and ask me what's going on. She didn't come in there and say, what's going on, man? Why is these people? You just automatically sit up there and just assume because I'm a black woman that I'm being aggressive. I'm being when you just sat up there and you stood there. She stood there for 5-10 minutes and listened to me. And you seen I ain't do nothing.
I'll review that and I'll make sure whether that did or did not happen. I'll validate that, invalidate it, either or. But right now, what we're looking at, and it's not verified yet, it's not, okay, it doesn't mean you are or you're not going to jail, is that the manager asked you to leave and you failed to leave. So that's...
He never came and asked me to leave.
Okay, I'll get your side of the story. Just understand,
Wow.
that's
Now they
trespass.
lying.
Okay?
Now they lying. This
So
shit crazy.
if that's your name and I
This
can verify
shit
it, the
crazy,
obstruction
dog.
charge doesn't happen. Doesn't happen.
This is crazy, dog. Now this man lying saying that he
Is
told
the
me
air
to
on
leave.
here for you?
This man just lied and said he told me to walk out the store and leave when I was in the aisle just standing there on my phone on live.
And he asked you to
1,000
leave?
people. No, he never asked me to leave. Because if you asked me to leave, I'm the type of person that would have walked up out your store. I walk to the counter.
Have you ever been
Why
to
would
the
I
store
even
before?
walk to the counter? This is the store I always come to. Why would I even walk? She came in, she seen me walk to the counter with a comb and a toothpaste. Why would I even come and walk to the counter if you just told me to leave? That don't make no sense. You got to make this stuff make sense to me, man. And it's not adding up to making sense to me, man.
So, Jasmine, fashion, Jasmine, be honest with me.
My name is Jasmine.
Okay. Why would you use Dume?
Because that's my maiden name. I don't use my marriage name.
You don't use your marriage name.
No,
Is this your married name or is your maiden name?
sir.
Honestly. Come on.
I use Jasmine. What are you trying to tell me right now?
So Jasmine Phillips is your name, sir.
What are you trying to tell me?
I'm not trying to tell, I'm trying to verify.
Okay, what are you trying to tell me, sir? I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to tell me right now.
Okay. So you just made an error when you gave me your name, when I asked for your
Sir,
name?
I could give you my name, Jasmine. All of that is in the system.
Okay, all right.
That's the same
D-U-M-E,
thing.
right?
That's the same thing. I don't go off by that.
You don't
that
go by...
No,
Okay, but you did at one point, right?
sir.
At one point you did, right?
The woman was charged with trespassing and resisting without violence. She also had 2 active warrants for criminal mischief and driving with a suspended license.